Chris Sofia E. Filipino with high honors, Athlete of the Year awardee, Disciplinado Ako awardee, Edukasyon 2 piece on ICT completer, Rhythmic Gymnastic Area Meet 2024 medalist with the category of hoop apparatus bronze, ball apparatus gold, ribbon apparatus silver, individual all-around silver, team category gold. Provincial Meet 2024 with category hoop apparatus bronze, ball apparatus gold, ribbon apparatus silver, individual all-around silver, team category gold. IVRA 2025 with the category of team category bronze. Juliana J. Elbinia with high honors. Jeroshane A. Nisos with high honors, outstanding performance in a specific discipline in mathematics, and Edukasyon 2 piece on ICT completer. Zed Setiel C. Nugar